Santa Ana Park. Away they go. Jump from the outside. Abun's Treasure. Winner take all. Guided Missile alongside. Moving up by Doraldo Remy. Basta and In Fairness is the early trailer. Jump by Hapaland followed by Winner Take All. Abun's Treasure down on the inside. Basta is racing for In Fairness. Moving up by Doral Guided Missile alongside and Do Remy. Winner Take All in the middle. Abun's Treasure down on the inside. Jump is on the outside. In Fairness. Basta also joining them. Rounding the far turn, Winner Take All, Abun's Treasure, Jump! Racing on the outside, In Fairness, Basta moving up on the outside as they race the final corner. Jumps now the leader. Abun's Treasure down on the inside. Winner Take All. Basta entering the finish line. Abun's Treasure by the Jump is on the outside and Winner Take All. Abun's Treasure Jump is on the outside. Jump from the outside and finally Jump. Abun's Treasure, Winner Take All, In Fairness, Basta, Guided Missile, and Do Remy.